Finally, magpe-perform na kami sa Coachella. Sa totoo lang hindi pa rin talaga in sa'kin. Pero basta ang alam ko excited ako. Anything naman about mga performance, excited naman talaga ako. And sana successful yung performance namin and madala talaga namin yung pride ng mga Filipino sa Coachella stage. Ang gusto kong sabihin sa Blooms ngayon na may panibago kaming pangarap na maaabot together. We're always there sa lahat ng milestones namin, kaya ang panalo na ito ay panalo niyo din. And you are not just Blooms, you are family na to us. Pinagdadaanan namin as a group just to prepare for this Coachella performance. To be honest, hindi mo akalain kung anong pinagdadaanan namin as a group for this preparation for Coachella kasi makikita mo talaga lagi kami nakangiti, masaya lang, laging tumatawa pero alam niyo behind the scenes, madaming iyak na nangyayari. Kasi of course kailangan namin ng good quality or excellent performance na ibibigay namin sa mga tao. Madaming back and forth regarding sa sound na gusto namin. Sana madami pang tao talaga ang maging curious sa BINI and sana itong way din namin na makapag-perform sa Coachella ay mag-open ng doors more pa to a lot of OPM artists. Nilo-look forward ko sa Coachella performance namin ay of course maganda ang reception sa tao and maging successful of course, successful ang performance ng BINI at mas ito yung maging way to receive more blessings pa. Yes, good job girls, hindi madali ang pinagdaanan natin, alam niyo yan. And I know we genuinely love each other kaya nakaya natin lahat. We love you, Blooms. Thank you for the undeniable love and support. Thank you for being part of our journey. We love you, Blooms. And to myself, you did well. Thank you so much dahil sobrang strong mo and I'm so proud of you.